Reliance Industries and SR Group here is talking to British Petroleum for BP's assets in Africa. Remember, these assets could be worth as much as $500 million. All of that really part of BP's plans to sell assets worth $30 billion over the next few months to essentially cover costs for that massive oil spill. Sushmita Mohapatra is here with more details. What do we know, Sushmita?
Yes, Tanya, it looks like BP British Petroleum's problems are ever ending. After their CEO quit, it's now the turn of their assets in East Africa being up for sale. And what we hear is that Reliance and SR could be bidding for these assets. They're in East Africa. They are for East Africa's retail business, fuel retail business. We understand that BP is looking at selling its retail outlets, terminals and aviation fuel stations in East Africa. And both Reliance and SR are keen to pick up this stake in East Africa. This really fits into their global plans. Both Reliance and SR have been looking for global expansion, and Africa is a continent which is of great promise for both the players, and therefore they are looking at these assets. Of course, they refuse to confirm this, but however, we learned that they are very interested in these assets. Also, this comes close on the heels of ONGC, which was looking at picking up BP's Vietnam assets. So it seems that BP is looking at selling these, like you mentioned, for about $40 billion across the world.